Yeah, yesterday we have seen like a multi-tenant architecture and uh, like what is the lightning experience, classic experience, like some what is app launcher, like s- some basic things we have discussed right yesterday. Now today, like we'll see like what is I'm going with this. I think we cover these parts yesterday. Today we'll see like utility bar and standard objects, custom objects, standard fields, custom fields, and data types we will see. So like these are just basic things only. Like you guys already aware. I just have a recap once. So like what is utility bar? My screen is I mean my voice is audible right properly. Yeah, yeah. So in just go to like in utility bar can available in the lightning experience only. So like we have a global actions, right? Global actions, like global actions, it will be same for like when you go to any tab also, you can see global actions remains same. The place remains same. We can accessible anywhere from the application. The same way we will also have the utility bar. Bar like it will be available on the bottom of the page. Okay, it's a constant toolbar that list. I mean that sits the like at the bottom of the Lightning app. So we can set the like utility bars for the different applications. So this is one of the utility bar. You can ignore about this. Organizer is some like extension. So basically we can put the different shortcuts here. For example, if I want to open the to-do list, right? To-do list will be open. So it will be useful for the sales reps or like any, for example, for us also like if you want to open some custom links or some application links, right? So I can just create a new utility bar and I will put the links. When I click on that, you will see the useful links for useful links for the our org. So you don't need to go to the different objects or tabs. You don't need to like navigate anywhere. Just click on this button, you will get the information available in handy. So how we can set this one basically? So just go to setup. So you need to go to the app manager. So in app manager you have to like these are my apps actually. So you will see the both apps like both screen share. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. Today I'm going to discuss. My screen is able now. Today I'm going to discuss about the like utility bar and like some concepts from the data modeling. Objects like custom objects, standard objects, and custom fields, standard fields, data types, and all. So like what is utility bar? Utility bar is available in the Lightning experience. Okay, this is Lightning experience, right? So see here you can see the bottom there is a toolbar. So it's this bottom toolbar is always available for like all like it won't be like it's a persistence or constant toolbar. It will sit at the bottom of the app. So when you go to any tab also it will be same remains same the same as like global actions, right? It will be same. So the position won't be changed. So we can easily um, use this option. For example, like if you need anything handy, right, you can place here in the utility bar. For example, I want to take to-dos, right? To-dos like what are the tasks I need to do. So you don't need to go to the to-dos object. Like just click on this to-dos option. You will see the that pop-up window will be open and you can create the task will be created. You don't need to go to the task and create the you don't need to do many navigations or clicks actually. Just need to click on this option. It will be like open up. So for you can customize this to utility bar for each applications. For example, if I open this is I just created now. We will show you like how to create that one as well. If I go to the service application, right? Um, if I go to the service application, you don't see the utility bar, right? So how you can create the utility bar? Just go to setup and go to app manager, sorry, app manager. We are setting up for the app level now, so that's we need to go to the app manager. So I want to create one utility bar with the service application. So here we have to use this service, I mean lightning experience. Okay, service lightning experience. I'm just clicking on it, edit. Just go to the utility items. It will only available for the desktop, not the mobile applications. So here I just want to add like whatever you want to add, you can add some. I want to add notes and also some to-do list as well, and connection status. I just added this. Save it. It will be available. It's not came. Why it's not came? Okay, let me log out and log in once. Still not came. Let's see, like, did we select the correct application or what? Manager, service, this one only, na? Correct only. Service console. Okay, let's go to service console. Yeah, this is service console basically. We are checking the wrong application. Yeah, now you see this history and notes we added. Because of some extension, I cannot able to see that utility, but it was a to-do list. And then the second one is history. These two I was added. Yeah, sorry. This is about the utility bar in Salesforce. Mainly, it will be useful for like if you need anything, if you are frequently referring, right, just keep them in a utility bar. Okay, yeah, like that. Yeah, utility bar is done. Now next I'm going to the next topic is these are we know already all these things, standard objects, custom objects. I just go like very brief sales. So here so basically we know, right, like in Salesforce, like for example here the sales application is a group of objects which can be a custom objects or standard objects, and also like tabs, dashboards, everything, like uh, the group association is called as a app, right? So here like objects are like it stores the information, and also it will tells the like what type of information it stores, and also it has the different fields. In fields we will have the actual information. Object is is a group of fields, right? Yeah, basically in other languages, like we can say mm, tables, but here in Salesforce terminology we will call them as objects. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so there are two type of like objects basically. One is standard objects and another one is custom objects. So how you can understand, like how you can identify whether the object is standard objects or custom object? Like you can see the API name for the custom object. The API name is underscore C. For example, I have created a custom object called call. The API name should be like this, underscore C. For standard objects, you won't see any underscore C. By saying that the C means custom, like C means custom, right? Um, yep, like by seeing this API name, you can understand the custom object or standard object. So here, like as I said yesterday, so in your real-time project, you will have the different like objects. There are so many objects involved. Okay, like how you can identify, like for example, someone say this link to you. Okay, someone say this link to you. Like how you can identify like whether this link is belongs to the particular object. There are two ways. Like one is by using the record prefix. Okay, yesterday we have seen this using the record prefix, or before the record we will see the object name. So like before the record, like after R we will see the object name. So if I go to the contact, the same pattern. Before the record ID you will see the object name. Let me see like if I have any custom objects. um, and also I will tell you one more trick. For example, you want to open the contact, right? Like usually like how you are opening, just we are going to the object, like because object manager holds the all the object informations, right? Different objects. So like how you will go, like we go to the object manager, right? Think some network issue or something. It's loading. Yeah, I'm going to the object manager. See, like in object manager, you will see all the like type of objects information and the type, description, last modified, deployed. Um, here, yeah, here I can see the some custom objects as well. Yeah, but the my point is, for example, like you are working something in the real-time project, you want to open some specific object. Okay, so since this context, we know like contact, like I can directly type contact like that. But there are so many objects are involved. Like you need to, you know, uh, so you need to scroll and scroll, right? It will take some time, and there are involves multiple clicks actually. So it takes some time to find the object and open that object from the object manager. So like what you can do is there is a trick actually. So just go to any record. For example, I'm in contacts. Just go to any record. Okay. For example, I just came to this record. I open this record. Um, Now let's see. Just click on the gear icon. So if you click on the gear icon, you will see the option called edit object. When you click on this edit object, you will directly redirect to that object in the object manager. You don't need to find the object from this edge. No need to scroll. You don't need to find like like it saves a lot of clicks actually. So now it's very easy like to identify the objects because we have very limited objects. But in real cases, you will see a lot actually. So this trick is useful for you to open the object directly from the record page. It's like record itself. Yeah, here I can see everything. This is one of the trick I want to tell you. Now what we are discussing. Yeah, as I said, like there are two type of objects: custom objects and standard objects. Standard objects are Salesforce gives you by default. You cannot create them with the same API, but you can customize them. Like you can create the different fields in that object. Okay, you can customize that, but you cannot create new. Custom objects are like if the standard objects are not sufficient for your requirement, you just need to create a new custom object. So in our application, right, we have to create a object basically. You have to create an object called call object. Okay. I mean, the call object has to be created. You can create, I will share the document. You can start implementing the project. The call object you have to create. So this call object is, stores all the call information, like when the sales reps went to the hospital or a field. Okay. So because like definitely in real-time projects, the standard objects are not sufficient. You have to create a number of custom objects. Yeah. And there are few type of objects also available basically. um, I will tell you. uh, there are knowledge articles and external objects, right? Let's say knowledge. Let me open knowledge article from the object manager. Knowledge, I don't think we'll get. Yeah, I think we have to enable something. So that my intention is like um, even standard objects also have the some extensions basically. um, we have to enable, I guess. Let me enable. We'll see if I can enable knowledge knowledge settings. Knowledge setting is understand impact. Yeah, I'm enabling the knowledge. Yeah, it's enabled. Okay, let's see. Now let me refresh this. Yeah, you see this? Like in Salesforce we have like knowledge is like like it stores the help uh, it used in the service cloud basically. So we won't discuss this much, but my point is like in Salesforce, not only this like we like for custom objects we see like underscore underscore c, right? For the knowledge articles you will see the hyphen, like the postfix should be underscore underscore kav. The same way for relations between the two objects, like we call them as hello knowledge articles, right? Knowledge articles you are asking. Basically, see, like knowledge, it's an article. You see, then I mean, in the name itself, you can see. Um, let's say, for example, I don't find here, I guess. I will tell you one example. Uh, how to um, create a record page in Salesforce. You're searching something, okay? You will find some, like you will find different blogs, right? The same way you will also get the Salesforce articles. Okay, this is also a knowledge article. Like it's a information. Like it will give you some information. It's like article thing. So by yes, yes, they will keep some information in that knowledge. Like in that for example, um, like there are some reusable steps, right? For example, there are some steps are using not like that. Like it's a help articles, I can say help articles. For example, you want to enable something, right? Um, so you want to enable yeah, it's like that only. Like it will give you information. For example, you are doing for example, so um, there is a problem. Like we are let's say like there we like our company, like the HCS global healthcare company, they are manufacturing some devices also, right? So for example, let's say one of the device has the problem, like not problem, one of the device has some, we need some setup na, like installation setup, yeah, installation setups required. So like usually yeah, like usually how the people see, like Salesforce, like we have a service cloud. Service cloud, what service cloud do, like they create the, for example, some Apollo, let's say Apollo, okay? Don't think like I'm always taking this example. Okay, Apollo has purchased one device. Okay, some, let me remove. I will use this only. Apollo purchased one device. Okay, some BP checker, some checker. So they need installation, right? Apollo need some installation steps. So what the Apollo will do? Apollo is one of the customer to HGS. I mean, GHS. GHS means our like company. Okay, like our example. So is one of the account. Apollo is one of the account. Like Apollo, what Apollo will do is Apollo create a case. Apollo create a case. Uh, they need a installation steps. Like see, like, for example, when you buy something like in online also, when you buy washing machine or fridge, right? So we will create a support request now for the installation in our home. So they will come and they will install the like the product, like it could be a fridge or washing machine or a TV. So some particular company support guy will come and they will install our like product. The same way, Apollo purchased one device that requires the installation, so they create a case. When they create a case, like the persons from this, the support person from the GHS, they will open this case and they will resolve the issue. They will resolve the issue means they will provide the steps to Apollo. So do this so that it can be installed like that. Okay, that is the process. They will provide some list of some list of steps. Okay, maybe they can. No, no, just listen this one now. First, see, like Apollo, we just created a like Apollo created a case, and the service rep from the GHS, the given the steps, and the like the installation was done. They closed the case. Like what if the some other there is one more hospital, Kim's also wants the also buy purchase the you know same product. So what they also create a case. Okay, the same step they has to provide, and again the same steps they has to provide that install, like to complete the installation. Like we have it like just we're just considering two examples now, Apollo and Kim's. Like, what if this company is global company. They have different, you know, uh, customers from the global. Okay, they usually get very like different requests, right? So they cannot uh, go and check everything, right? So like what they will do is the basic steps, right? These steps they will put it on the knowledge article. Okay, they will put on the knowledge article. So whenever they create a case now, KAV means knowledge article. Whenever they create a case, right, these steps automatically be enabled into that case. So they can automatically, you know, resolve it. So that is the purpose of the knowledge article. Okay. So these are like help articles. Like in Salesforce also we have different help articles, right? Salesforce like see this creative visit record page. This is also a knowledge article I can say. Like help like help.salesforce.com. The same way in our application also we create some knowledge articles. Those articles like for frequently asking questions they will put in the knowledge article. That article will be automatically attached to the case so that users itself they can resolve the issues. No need of taking the extra efforts from the humans like that. Yeah, like that only. Like I will show you one. Let me go to. No, not that much. It's just a page actually. It's we can put the uh, see this title test some installation BP checker installation. Save. You see this like actually you have to add the different fields and all, but um, like you need to add the rich text fields and all. Let me do that. Knowledge article. For example, I just uh, what are the fields we have? Assignment notes, language. So if you don't, we don't like we don't have, no, like just I'm creating one rich text. So rich text means like steps like that. Style. Actually, we are deviating from some other topic. We have to add in our page layout. It's already there. Why it's not coming? No. Better to use this only. Information custom links. Just doing logout. Oh, still not coming. Okay, I think I haven't given the access. Yeah, I think the profile access is not given. Yeah, see this? It's grayed out means like um, the profile access is not given. I mean FLS was not given. I'm just giving. Let's go to system. Since my profile is system administrator, right? I need to. Yes, yes. KAV knowledge. No, for that also we have to give actually. Oh, why it's open here? Okay, FLS means this one. Field level security. Just knowledge. Click on this. So edit. There are so many things available actually. Like knowledge is a very big concept. Like where is it here? Installation steps. Yeah, see, no access. Just given. No, let me refresh the page, or I can go to knowledge. Mm, yeah, knowledge. Like we have for example, yeah. Let's see this first. Still not came. How come? Yeah, steps there. Let's go to this. This is one of the extension I'm using actually, inspector. Um, like some giving XYZ steps. Save. We got the access, but still I cannot see in the field. Field level, I don't know. Okay. Uh, Satyam. Is a knowledge user. Yeah, knowledge user. This is also one of the license basically. I'm knowledge user only, but why I cannot see that? See this? Now it's available. Yeah, sometimes Lightning has some glitches. We need to log out and log in. Um, so like here you see this. This is the one. Like I haven't added much information, but it would be like um, have the good kind of like article thing only. Okay, we will customize that. See like it's in draft mode only. It's in draft mode only. So which means like you can able to edit this. The steps can be editable, right? And those steps also can be editable by only the knowledge users, like whoever have the access to that article, they can only edit that. Once the article is published, right? Once the article is published, you cannot edit this. You will see the versions here. Okay, you will see the draft versions here. Like how many times you made edit, you will see these versions here. So like if the article is went to publish now, you cannot edit this. Here you see this like was the article is helpful or not. So for example, Apollo like just read this article and they resolve the issue. Now they can click on this like symbol. Okay, if they're not helpful, they will click on this. Yeah, it's kind of a feedback. So here categories like you can also define some categories of the particular. See, like there are so many. It's like there are so many things are involved in this knowledge thing. Um, Basically, we will have the publish button. See, like if I open here, I think I need to customize something, but here if you see this, if I open, let me check. Here you can publish. I mean, okay, let me close this. Here we will like you have to add the buttons here as well. But yeah, but I can publish from here also. Mass publish also I can do. If we click on this publish now, I selected, but what is this? Yeah, there are some setups we need to do this, bro. Like it takes some time. But this is the process to publish the articles basically. Yeah, published. So now you can see published articles here. It will be in up after publish only they can able to see that, yes. So if I can, I do not have access maybe. Yeah, this is the knowledge. It's a different object like KAV underscore KAV. Yeah. What else? They will see that knowledge thing also like in like when we cover the cases, which is not in our syllabus, but we will see that. Um, yeah, we know like standard objects, custom objects, standard fields, custom fields, and I'll just go through the fields actually, like how um, like what are the different types. I think you guys are already aware of them. There is nothing much to you know discuss about the fields thing. Just go to new. Like I'm talking about the data types. Like auto number, like when you select the auto number, right? Like automatically, let's see, like let's go. I'm just selecting. What we can do. Account number, maybe I can give account number. Um, Format. This is the format. Like for example, you want this format, now. Maybe I can give also HCS, GHS. Oh, no, no, you just give account only. Like our hospitals. These are hospitals, no hospital. Okay, adjusting it will starting number. I'm giving one only. We will see the difference. Okay. Mm, Basically, when you create a field, right, we will see the external ID. External ID means like it like let's say for example, um, so we have a um, this is our Salesforce system, right? This is our Salesforce application, and the client want to send this information. Like client also have some ERP tool or SAP. Okay, they are having some SAP or some ERP tool. Um, like okay, some SAP, let's say SAP they have. This is Salesforce. This is Salesforce. So when we create a so for example, they need a requirement like we have a account object. Okay, so when you create an account in the Salesforce, that account needs to be sent to SAP. Okay, account will send to SAP. This is called um, outbound integration. We will talk this later. Outbound integration. The same way, like someone created account, maybe someone, yeah, like we are sending this account to this SAP, right? Okay, what, for example, the account name is some XYZ. Okay, that account we make like we are making some changes, like changes in the sense we updated some fields, maybe some uh, maybe some there is one field called ABC. I'm just talk just an example fields. Okay, ABC. This is a custom field. So SCP has to update that field. Okay, that field data has to be synced to Salesforce again. Okay, this is called inbound integration. Okay, inbound integration. There is different topics for the outbound and inbound integrations. Um, so we like why we need like why I'm talking like about this inbound outbound integration, like since we seen like external ID. But basically, this inbound integration can happen in a bulk. Okay, in a bulk it can happen. Maybe they can updates the records thousands. Okay, or hundreds. Okay, the system has to identify the or account actually. They won't look for the record IDs. They won't look for the if I open the account, they won't look for the account IDs. This Salesforce record IDs they won't look. I mean system won't look. So we need to use some other IDs. That ID can be utilized both systems. Okay. Um, that ID is external ID basically. The external ID is basically useful for the integrations. When we have the external ID now, this external system can identify. Okay, it can not an external system. It will perform the operations inside Salesforce only. But um, like when you do the upset, right? Like we have the insert, update, delete. The same way, like we will also have the upset operation. I will talk this when I teaching um, Apex upset. Upset, yeah, something like what upset will do is update and insert. Update insert will do have at a time. At a time in the sense when we have the external ID called let's say external ID ex some 123. If we pawn this ID, so that record will be updated. If we don't the system if system don't find that ID, it will create a new record. That is called upset. Like when you do the upset, we need external ID for sure. Okay, unique ID or external ID is required. So this external ID is mainly basically for integrating between the only for integrations for inbound integrations. You see this external systems like that. So yeah, like we will also have the auto add to custom report type, right? So when you create the reports, right? Like I will talk about that also. For example, let's see. Like let me create a report. Mm, so basically, yeah, let me go to any. report. Yeah, this is report. Yeah. When you go to report, right? When you create a report, you have to pick the record type. I mean report types basically. So you have to select the report types. For example, accounts, account report type. So this report type contains the multiple fields. Those fields only, like here we have 67 fields. Those fields only available for the creating report. Okay, when you create a new field, you have to like define whether that field has to come into this uh, like report type or not. If you don't select that option, that field won't comes into this report type. So you cannot add that field into the report. Okay, that is the one. Okay, now let's go to the next. This and also the description help text. Description basically, so it's better to give the you know description every time when you give the when you create a new field or a new object, anything like anything you create in the Salesforce, better to give a description because this is best way to like these are the best practices in real time basically. For example, you are creating one field. Okay, you are creating one field, um, and then you created a field. Okay, but you forgot, like someone came and someone trying to understand like why this field is created, like what is the purpose of this field is created, like what, like from which story in the sense like in um development or in development projects, like we use, like we see the, like we will get the Jira stories, right? In Jira stories they will mention like we need this custom field. For example, they mention account number is required to store the in a different format, like this format they need. So they has to mention, like business has to mention in a Jira story like the everything, like the requirements. Based on the requirements only we will implement our changes. So just better to put that Jira story number here. So this field is was like was created as part of some Jira story, you can say 001 like that. So that whenever the new developer came, if he has any doubt on this field, he can go to this Jira story. Like what is, they can understand the background of this, like why you created. This is better way. Uh, uh, like this is best practice, I can say. This is help text. Help text, like the description cannot be shown for any users, right? It will be only internal purpose only. The next, help text. So help text, it can be shown to the users basically. I will open any account. I hope this information you guys already know. I don't have any help text actually here. Okay, let me add. It's a I icon. Huh? Yeah, I information. Yeah, I code. I means information. Yeah, this is some auto generated state field value. Let's say here you can give the FLS for a profile. Here also you can give, like when you create a field also you can give the FLS. Um, like for example, yeah, system developer has the access. Okay, if you don't want, you can unselect this. And the next one, it's asking, is it okay to add the page layouts? We have a this many page layouts, right? So it's showing like if you don't want to add any page layout, you can remove it. The next, save. Yeah, yeah. Like when you have the record page is also come like in record, like it will show the record page also, whether you want to add this particular record page or not. I'm saving it. Yeah, let's see whether it is added or not. Is it the one account number or our field name? This one we created actually, which is not came into. I should not create the same, like I should not create the same name. Yeah, because we already have the standard field account number. Yeah, it's better to give the different label to avoid the confusion in real time. Yeah, let's see like whether it was added on the page layout or not. Go to the page layout and see like how you can identify like which page layout we have a different page layouts, right? I mean we have a four page layouts. So here we don't have any option to like which page layout we are seeing. So how you can see that? Go to the page layout assignment. In page layout assignment, you can see like my profile is system administrator. For system administration, this page layout was assigned. Just open this page layout. Okay. So let's see like the field is added or not. Account number. Yeah, account number is added, I guess. If you open this, read only. Okay. Uh, remove. Yeah, let's see. What is this field? Okay. It is added on the page load, but it is not reflected at. Yeah, as I said, like lighting has some issue. We may have to log out and log in again. I'm doing that. Yeah, I see this. It's added. This is the auto-generated field value. So this is just help in the sense you will have the information icon. Users can understand like what is the purpose of the field. Let's create a new account. We'll see. I don't want to create a new brand new. I'm just instead of filling the data, I can use the clone option. Okay, just clone option is not enabled. Okay, I need to create just test account. I'm creating. Okay, save it. So I have a trigger actually. Let me remove that. What is this trigger? Okay, this trigger is active. I'm just inactivating this. Save. Okay, let me try again. We'll see like whether that yeah, you see the number got updated and starting with H, the starting number is 1, like that. Like that we can define the auto number format when you create the field. Yeah, that is about the auto numbers. I mean auto number formula we will um, I think yeah, formula. Yeah, better to take. I will spend some time on the formula because we have a less time now. So we will check this later. Roll up summary. Also, like we will cover this in when we discuss about the relationship between the objects. Roll up summary, lookup relation, external lookup relation. Check boxes you already know. Like it will like just we don't have, but it's just a box like true or false kind of. currency. These are just basics things only. Like you can also understand. No need to explain these things. Yeah, like formula is important. Like we will have the different like kind of formulas we will use in real time. Um, yeah, you can utilize. I will share this project document. Maybe I can give the tasks in the notes so that you can create the fields for the project implementation. For account, we have these many fields, right? Common fields. Like for government account, we have these many fields. So okay, let's wait for to complete the record types. So let's once the record type is done, you can start creating fields. The parallelly, you can also create the page loads and all. Okay, because we deviated right like to knowledge article. That's why we were unable to complete that formula like other fields. Yeah. Any questions like yeah. If you don't have any question, we can yeah meet tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah, I was updated the yesterday's notes. I will update the recording, yesterday recording also, today's recording also. Thank you. Bye.